Today we will draw a cute little squirrel. Let's draw the squirrel's head first. Draw its nose, color it, and then draw its mouth. Then draw its big eyes, which are big and round, and add a few eyelashes. Let's color the eyes. The eyes are big and bright. They look very flexible. Then draw its small, pointed ears. The ears are also very clever. Then we draw the body of the little squirrel. Then connect the lines of the legs. Draw its horns and paws. Then draw the little squirrel's hands. Both hands are raised and there are things in the hands. Let's draw an apple in the little squirrel's hand. The apple is round. Then draw the lines of the belly and draw the other leg. Then draw the feet. Next, let's draw the squirrel's tail. Squirrel's tail is big and can support the balance of its body. Tail looks very fluffy and soft, like a fox's tail. Then we can color the apple in his hand. Paint it bright red and it looks delicious. Fill it with color and we can also paint the other parts with our favorite colors. In this way, a cute little squirrel is drawn. It's very simple, so try it now.